Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will do cold cooking. We are making Malai Toast. For this we need some powdered sugar and chocolate syrup, malai, bread and elaichi powder and crushed almonds. Let's start. First we will cut the bread with bowl. Now press the bowl over the bread. We will get 2 round slices of bread. Now we will add powdered sugar in malai. Add elaichi powder in malai. Mix. Mix it properly and make a fine paste. Now we will spread the malai over the plate. Now place the bread over it and put the malai on the bread and spread it. Now put some almonds. Now we will keep other slices of bread over it. Now spread the malai on the bread.